Recently, OpenAI gave organizations like ours access to a new feature called projects. The easiest way to describe projects is to think of them like a folder on your computer or even as a dedicated workspace within ChatGPT. And within this dedicated workspace, you can store files, chats, and instructions for a specific task or workflow. On the surface, the project feature may seem very similar to creating your own custom GPT, and there is some overlap. However, the difference is that a project is a folder with a specific set of directions and use cases and comes with guardrails that you set up in advance. And it's like a custom GPT, but with its knowledge locked down to a specific use case. In addition, I think the new projects feature can be very helpful in how we go about organizing our ChatGPT workspace moving forward. I know I could use a better way to organize my chat threads. Here's a quick overview. Each project acts as a dedicated space to store resources, ideas, and progress for specific goals or initiatives. All the chats within a project are saved in the folder, so you never have to go searching for previous chats. The first thing you'll need to think about is how you want this feature to function. Is your project going to be a workflow of some kind, or is it going to be set up to perform one specific task? In this video, I'm going to demo using projects to help create personalized learning activities for students. First, find the Projects tab on the left side of your dashboard. Then click New Project. Give it a name. I'll name mine Unit 10, Great Depression. I'll give it an icon and change the folder color to blue. I like to give my projects an icon to help better find what I'm looking for. Same with the color. Next, I'll want to upload the files I want this project folder to use as its data source. For this example, I have my digital textbook, unit outline, standards, lesson plans, and also a document that provides additional student profiles and academic information. I'll then want to add my custom instructions for this project. These instructions will be different from the ones you might add to a custom GPT, and they'll be different from how you would normally prompt ChatGPT. Here's the template I use when creating project instructions. I give it a project overview, which provides a high-level description of the project. I also provide the system with information on the key features and functionalities of this project. Here I break down the core functionalities into bullet points. I'll provide a step-by-step outline of how I will interact with this project. The last thing I'll give is a list of how I want the system to deliver my outputs. These will vary depending on the type of project you are creating. For my project folder for the unit Great Depression, my instructions will look like this. Once you have your files uploaded and your instructions set, you are ready to use your project's AI. Here's my first prompt. Knowing what you know about Marisol Perez, please create a remediation activity to help her better understand the causes and effects of the Dust Bowl. Because I'm using projects, all of the information the AI needs is contained in its file sources. If I use this same prompt in the default ChatGPT or even within a custom GPT, the system wouldn't be limited to only the resources I want it drawing from. I like this particular lesson idea, so let me give the system a follow-up prompt. Can you provide me images by Dorothea Lange? I can take these and include them in the lesson or save them to my file source to use the next time I interact with this project. Here's another example. I need a community service project idea for Kyle Thompson so we can earn him community service hours. This project should align to the standards of the unit. Again, because this project folder had all of the unit information and additional information for each student in the class, the AI was able to provide me with a community service idea that tied the unit standards to Kyle's interest in basketball. The projects feature is new, so I'm sure we'll learn more about this and find other use cases over the next few weeks and months. As always, please feel free to reach out and share how you are using ChatGPT and AI to make yourself more efficient and effective at what you do. Thanks for watching.